Hi, let's solve for x. First, let's factorize this, okay? When we do that, we are going to have x squared bracket. When this is divided by this, we have 1 plus, when this is divided by this, we have 1 divided by x plus 1 squared, okay? Now, this is equal to 3. Now, before we proceed, because we are going to expand something inside. Okay, let's just continue. Now, we have x to the power of 2 multiplied by, now let's add what we have inside the bracket. The LCM is x plus 1 to the power of 2, right? So we have x plus 1 squared. Now, when 1 divides x plus 1 squared, we have x plus 1 squared times this one, we still have the same thing, x plus 1 squared plus, now when this is divided by this, we have what? When this is divided by this, we have 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Close bracket is equal to 3. Now, I want us to recollect. Please recall that a plus b raised to the power of 2 is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so in our case, our a is x and our b is 1. So let's expand. So we have x squared, open bracket. Now x plus 1 squared is same thing as x squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1, right? Plus our b squared is 1 squared, then plus this one here. Now everything divided by x plus 1 squared. Alright, this is equal to 3. Alright, now we have x to the power of 2, open bracket. So we have x squared plus 2x plus what? 1 squared is 1. So 1 plus 1 will give us 2, divided by x plus 1 squared. And this is equal to 3. Oh, you were not seeing that. So all I did was to add this to this. So x squared is x squared plus 2 times x is 2x plus 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is why how I got what I got. Okay, so we have x squared into, I want to bring this x squared out, okay? So x squared divided by x plus 1 squared, okay? Plus, then I want to bring this together, 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 squared, okay? This is equal to 3. All right, now let's continue. Now, when you look at this, we can actually see something here, right? Okay, so we have x to the power of 2. I'm talking of this place. We open our bracket. This is x squared divided by x plus 1 squared, okay? Plus, now we can factorize 2 from here. So we have 2 brackets x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 squared, okay? This is equal to 3. Okay, now we have x squared into, we have x squared divided by x plus 1 squared plus, now here we have 1x plus 1 and we have double of it here. So 1 will cancel 1 remain as denominator. So we have 2 divided by x plus 1 remaining, okay? And this is equal to 3. Now let's open this bracket. So x squared times x squared will give us x to the power of 4 divided by x plus 1 squared, right? Plus 2 times x squared will give us 2x squared divided by x plus 1, yeah, divided by x plus 1 alone, and this is equal to 3. All right, now we can express x to the power of 4 as x squared raised to the power of 2, right? Divided by x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 as well, okay? Plus, then here we have 2x squared over x plus 1 is equal to 3. Now when you have a to the power of m divided by a b to the power of the same m. This is equal to a over b raised to the power of m. All right. So we can solve this one as what? X squared divided by x plus 1, everything raised to the power of 2. Okay, all right. Then plus this is 2 brackets what? X squared divided by x plus 1. All right, and this is equal to 3. Now we can see x squared divided by x plus 1 here and x squared divided by x plus 1 here. Therefore we can say that let x squared divided by x plus 1 be equal to y. And when we say that, that means what we have here is y squared plus what we have here is 2y is equal to 3. So what we just formed is a quadratic equation, but do not be in a hurry to leave, because recall that we are not looking for the value of y. We are looking for the value of x. So please stay put and see how we got x from y. All right. Thank you so much. Now, when you look at this, let's bring this in. So we have y squared plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if we compare this with the ideal quadratic equation, our a here is 1, that is coefficient of y squared. Our b is 2, coefficient of y, while our c is minus 3, the constant. Okay, so we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula, which states that this y we are looking for is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Okay, all right, permit me to continue from here. Let me draw my line first. Okay, so let's continue. Now this is where we are, that our y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a, and our a is equal to 1, our b is 2, and our c is minus 3. Okay, now let's continue. So our y then will be equal to minus b, that is minus 2, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 2 squared, minus 4ac. 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 3, right? Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. All right. So we have that y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4. Then 4 times minus 3 will give us minus 12. Minus minus becomes plus 12 divided by 2. All right. Now we continue. So when you look at what we have here, you can see that, sorry, excuse me. Yeah, so y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 divided by 2. Okay, all right. So we have y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. Now we have two values of our y. So the first value is minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and the second value is minus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So the first value of y is minus 2 plus 4 is same as 4 minus 2, which is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And the second value of y is minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 4, which is minus 6, and minus 6 divided by 2 will give us minus 3. All right, now we have two values of y, but I want you to recall where we said let y be equal to x squared divided by x plus 1. This place here. Okay, here. All right, so now we are let y equals x squared divided by x plus 1. Now the first value of y is 1, right? So we have 1 is equal to x squared divided by x plus 1. We cross multiply. We have x squared is equal to x plus 1. So we have x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we use the quadratic equation formula to solve this, we have that x is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now in this case, our a is equal to 1, right? Our b is minus 1 and our c is also minus 1. Now let's substitute. So x is minus minus 1, which is 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4ac, that is 4, times 1 times minus 1, which will give us minus 4. Minus minus is plus, so we have plus 4 here. Everything divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1, which is 2. So x is 1 plus or minus square root of 5. I'm trying to be faster. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? All right, so this gives us the first and the second value of our x. Now let's go back again, okay? So if we go back again, we will recall that the second value of y is what? Minus 3. So when y is equal to minus 3, let me see if I can make use of this remaining space here. Please permit me to. Okay. Now when y is equal to minus 3, this is what we have. Trying to set this well. Okay. All right. Now when y is equal to minus 3, okay, so we have that x is equal to, okay, that our y is equal to x squared divided by x plus 1. This is what our y is. So if y is equal to minus 3, so definitely minus 3 is equal to x squared divided by x plus 1. All right, sorry about that, I'm a bit distracted. Okay, let's go. Now we are going to cross multiply. So we have x squared is equal to minus 3x minus 3, right? So if we bring this to this side, we have x squared plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are going to use our quadratic equation formula, which says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. All right. Now in this case, our a is equal to 1, our b is 3, the coefficient of x, and our c is also 3. Now let's solve. X then should be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. All right, so x is minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So x is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3i divided by 2. So this is the third and the fourth value of our x. Thanks so much for watching. Please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, and please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Bye.